Okay, so for today's video, we're going to make a schedule. So, let's say for example, 4-8, April 8, pero dalawa yung teacher. So, mag-insert tayo dito sa C, insert, sunyo. Tapos, ritsu, insert column. Column. Yan. And then, to make this center, let's center this one. So, shift lang siya. And then, this margin. Yeah, so we've got another space already here. So, teacher. And then if there are many more teachers, so just add here, cells D, insert lang, then ritsu, insert column, then this one, from there, up to here na, in order to get the center, shift lang siya, shift, and like that. And then, center.
And then...
Okay na siya. So, you've got teacher 1, teacher 2, teacher 3. So, now, we've got here 3 columns. Pero sa amin is, dalawa yun lang yung teacher. So, we're going to delete column D. So, click yung cells D, column D, tapos right-click. Right-click. Ay, hindi dyan. May kay. And then, right-click. And then, delete Sakujo. Bumalik na siya. Dalawa lang. So, in this column, we're going to write the time. So, 9 o'clock mag-start yung klase, for example.
Yeah.
Okay, so 9 o'clock. So, in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So, lagyan natin ng 6 space na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until 9. We will click this one until 9. But first, let's have this merge first. Merge cells. And then, pull it down to 9. Hala! If we're going to click it here, makopy yan. So, it's no. It's a no. Okay, we're not going to copy man. So, back. Back. And then, sa center. Center ka mag-click. Going to 9. And then, click it outside. No. If na-click siya like this, we can just merge that one, this, and then, sabi niya, i-merge ba daw? So, okay. Or option number 2, pagbalik mo dyan, ibalik natin, ayan, drag and drop to number 9, and then, i-click natin yung merge cells. Yeah, there you've got it. Okay na siya. So, and then, from there, we can copy ba? Down. O, diba? So, automatic na siya. So, mas easier talaga yung Excel if you are familiar ang commands ng Excel, no? Kasi walang ganito sa Word eh. So, our class will be until, shall we say 5? Uy. Uy. Click na. Dami data. Okay, so hindi pala i-highlight everything pag mag-copy down. Ito lang siya. And then, drag and drop lang tayo. So, 16 until 17. 5 o'clock yung klase natin. Ayan. So, already copied. Ilagay na lang kaya nating 6 o'clock yung klase natin. Ayan. Okay, so may oras na tayo. So, this time, mag-make na tayo ng grid or table. Kasi this one is the Excel grid. So, if we're going to print it out, di man na siya hindi makita. So, let's make it. highlight everything. Yan, until 6. And then, we can just go directly here, tables, and then this. Ayan. So, from there, we can input some. So, for example, this one, 2 to 250. And then, out ba be? Out. Click out.
あると押し
Out, enter. Okay,
そ
so,
こじゃない選んでないからなんて選んで文字後ろでしょ
ay, yo. Kung na yun,
できてないよ
enter dito, diba?
その状態になってないからエンターだけじゃないでしょ
And so, yeah, if here, and then, if we're just going to click enter, kung enter lang siya, ganyan yung mangyari. So, enter another cells. So, which means we need to press out at the same time, enter. Okay, so here, press out, and then enter. Out, enter at the same time. Okay, so here, yeah. So, that's it. Maka-add ka na ng input. So, for example, you're going to write the name of the lesson, speaking class. Ayan. So, enter. O, diba? Na-enter yung cell. So, again, once again, out, and then, enter. Okay, out. Ay, ito. Alt, enter. Ayan. So, let's say, for example, name, Reina. There you have it. Okay, so as of now, yan lang po muna. So, since the schedule is 2 to 250, so, mga here, about here. So, we are going to make a block. So, shift lang yan and going down. Ko na this one, shift. Ayan, 2 to 250 and then merge cells. This one, merge cells. Click. One more. Click it again. So there you are. So 2 to 250 na. So that's it. Ganyan lang mga Mars.